Hey everyone, today we are going to be taking an inside look My Music Workshop into our games and activities area, one of our most popular games and activities, Music Studio Junior. I can't wait to show you all about it. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, we've logged into My Music Workshop and here we are at the main stage. And I'm going to come over here to the left and we are going to click on the Music Activities and Games. Today we're going to be going into our Music Studio Junior. So let's click this one in the middle here. Music Studio Junior was created to be a place where kids could create their own music without the big learning curve of some other programs. So we wanted it to be easy and fun and colorful for the kids so they could combine different sounds and instruments. So this is a great place to do it. It's kind of like they get to be their own music producer. How fun. Let's go ahead and click here on the Create New. Now it brings you to a page where you can pick a tempo of your song. So a tempo is just the time signature. So if you click it here, you can hear the tempo of the song. The 80 beats per minute is going to be slower. The children can really pick any one of these. So we'll go with 95, just right in the middle there. And this kind of helps them pick where they are at in their mood. If they want to have a more upbeat song, then they can go a little bit faster. And again, any of them work, but it's fun to have the choice. We're going to select that tempo right there. We're going to be in the A major key. More keys to come, but right now we're going to stick with A major. This means all the instruments are going to blend together so that no matter what the kids pick, there's going to be a really harmonic way that everything comes together. So let's select that. And here we are. Okay, so over to the left here, we have all the instruments that we are going to add tracks to. Now, again, if your kid's a beginner, pretty much they're going to see that they can just start clicking around and all of a sudden they're going to be making music. It's so fun. We wanted to make this easy and creative for the kids. So if we're starting with drums here, okay, we made this color coded. So I thought, okay, if I'm looking at the blue drums here, they're going to see the blue on this side and begin to test the different drum beats. So the play button will give the kids a sample of the groove or the drum beat that they might want to add. So we can sample them like this. So there's our first drum beat. We can pick another one. I like that one. I want to do one more. Let's try 6. Okay, that's a little more rocky. So I'm going to go back here to drums 1 and I'm going to put the add button and you're going to see it populate over here on the left. So when I add that in, there it is. I can push the play button and I've got my drums. I can put the volume up on these or down. And we'll get to that part later. So if we don't like that one, by the way, we can always just take it off here with the little trash can button. That'll make it go away. Are you sure? Yes, I am, but actually, no, I want to add it back. So here we go. All right, let's move on to the bass. These can be done in any order, but just for ease, I'm going to go ahead and go straight down today. So we're going to click on bass next and listen to a couple bass tracks. Now remember, bass is going to be really subtle in the background. Oh, that one's cool. Okay, I'm going to add bass 4. So there it is. I'm going to kick it up just a little bit and push play to see what we've come up with so far. Okay, so this is where the kids start getting excited because even just by placing the 2 tracks, they've already felt confident and excited that they just made a song. How cool is that? Everything we do, you guys, when I create this stuff and when Elias and me collaborate to, make the best place for kids to learn and explore music, we want it to be fun. We want them to be excited about it. We want them to feel like it's a place where they can enjoy making music, okay? That positive relationship with music. This is why we do this. We want it to be not dry and boring. We want it to be colorful and fun. This activity has really proven to be one of the more popular ones. Even our daughter loves this Music Studio Junior. She is making songs all the time. Just how cool is this? Okay, so let's keep going. We're going to go ahead and click on guitar here. Let's listen to. Okay, I'm going to go to guitar 2. Oh, that one's nice. Okay, I'm going to add that in. All right, let's listen to those 3 together, see what we have. I want my guitar a little higher in the mix, so I'm going to pop that up. Nice. So if you see here, we color-coded these volume knobs to adjust so that the kids' eyes really pull to each track that they're creating. Ooh, I like that. Okay, we're gonna stop that one. This is so fun. When we create this stuff, I'm like, if I'm having fun doing it, I know the kids are. I have the mind of a child sometimes, honestly, so playful, so fun, and really, this is so good. Okay, let's do some piano. I just added the first track I saw here. Let's listen to that. Okay, I'm not a big fan of that one, so I'm gonna listen to some others. Oh, there's like an organ there. Oh, those are cool. Okay, let's do this keys 1. I'm gonna add that in. And we also have percussion down here. Let's just go through these and add a couple more just so you guys can see the wholeness of how this works. We're gonna put a lead guitar in as well. I'm just gonna click lead guitar 3. And again, the kids can adjust their volumes to be like real music producers. They can balance out the different sounds they want. Let's listen. Okay, my bells over here in percussion are a little high. I'm gonna bring those down. Oh, that's cool. So right now I have my guitar all the way up. So what you'll see is this will repeat, and so the kids can really listen to it. They can, honestly, they can go grab an instrument and play along to this if they want. They can explore different pieces of it by taking out certain things. Let's take out our percussion. Okay, I'm gonna take out the other here. Simplify it a little bit. So cool. All right. I mean, I'm getting into this. It's so fun. I know I've said that before, but it is for me. The cool thing is you can save your songs. So if you want to save this just like it is, maybe you want to pop in a lead. Let's just do one more lead. I'm going to just drop that down a little bit low here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah. Cool. We can save this. I am going to save this, and I'm going to call it Liana's Song. Save song. Now you have a collection of all your songs, okay, and I can show you where those are. If you want to start over, we simply click Start Over, and it brings you back to this area where it's the beginning. And if you want, you can go into My Songs, and we see that we have a couple songs saved here. And let's see, I think my daughter made one of these. Ooh, Chill, what's that one? All right, let's listen to this one. That is pretty chill. That is so cool. You know, and then it's like you match the moods with the song. So she must have called that one Chill. That's so neat. I think that this is just such a fantastic way kids can open their minds to we have lessons and we want the kids to learn their instruments, but to create songs with all these different instruments, I think is just a really fun way to feel confident and explore music. I know why this program is one of our most popular. It is very, very entertaining and fun. There is a little how to use pop-up that if you want some suggestions, Mr. Elias has given some creative tips to, have you start sounding amazing. If you guys would like to try this, we have a 7-day free trial that you can get full access to our entire program, all the music, games, activities, lessons, all of it. You get 7 days free. Pop into mymusicworkshop.com, try it out, have fun, and never stop making music. See y'all later.